ScribeWare makes it easy to add captions, arrows, circles, and cropping your images right within the application. But if you want to do virtually anything with your pictures, you can use any aftermarket application by simply hitting this button. All right, so as I said in the intro, ScribeWare's got some pretty basic features that are incredibly simple for being able to edit your pictures and just do some things with them. You click on any image, and this brings up the photo editing opportunities. Below is where you can enter a caption, and we've got our own captions library, so you can save captions if you use the same one a lot, which is really convenient. Up here is where you can add an arrow or a circle, and you can change the color of it. So maybe we could just give you an example here. And you can change that to a blue one or whatever. You can get rid of it by erasing. It'll undo those things. You can crop things, which is actually pretty neat. It zooms in on it. We won't do that here. But that can be kind of a fun tool. And so let me show you that the tools right in ScribeWare are designed to be quick and simple and not super complicated. I often do like to put some text on pictures, and sometimes I do some more sophisticated things, but I don't spend a huge amount of time playing with my pictures. But this arrow right here that I'm clicking on, that brings me to any back-end software I want. So I use one called Paint.net. Some of our other users use one called Photoscape, but if you have any photo editing software you like, ScribeWare allows you a sort of quick, user-friendly back end to it. So in Paint.net, I could go to my text tool here, and I can click up here and change the font. That's 24, do 12. So you can see I just was able to write that in. We could change the color of it if we want to. We can make it bold. And then if you want, they've got all kinds of things in here. You can do line drawing things. I think we can turn this into an arrow. I think you can make it dotted, so you could bend that down. So it's just an example of some of the stuff you can do in Paint.net. And again, there's any aftermarket photo editing software. So we'll come up here and we will hit save. You just hit OK. And then we just close out of it. Sometimes it doesn't pick it up right here in the photo editing tab, but once you hit save and go back, you'll see that in ScribeWare all that stuff's been saved. So pretty easy to add almost anything you want to your pictures in ScribeWare. We've got kind of the really quick one that's built right in the front of the application, and then a back end to get to just about anything you need. So I hope that helps explain some of the ways we can add and edit pictures in ScribeWare. Thanks for watching.